Hey guys, I ran into an issue that maybe you guys might run into also. So if I pull up my this PC and I look at all my disk or all my drives, you see that I'm running out of space on my C drive. It's about 120 gig drive, and a lot of these applications, for instance, like there's a new GeForce driver and it's telling me, hey, it needs more, about 200 megs more space. So I've got Creative Cloud on this machine here, and actually I don't know if I even have. Yes, I do. Let me open up WinDIR stat. I want to run this. So yeah, like I was saying, I'm trying to update the driver to my NVIDIA graphics card. I can't. You're probably noticing I'm getting some prompts. I'm getting some prompts down here where it's stating that it's unable to update my Creative Cloud. So I'm just running. I'm running WinDIR stat because I kind of already know what the issue is, and I think it's related to I think the majority of this is being used by Creative Cloud. I was just gonna run WinDIR stat just to confirm. There's another tool, it's a side note, there is another tool that I've heard a lot of good remarks about. I think it's called tree size, or size tree. No, I think it's tree size. Yeah, and it does a remarkable job locating all the files and folders that are taking up a lot of space on your machine. I don't have it right now. I'll probably get it later, but I know tree size does a little bit more granular work, but I already for what I need right now, WinDIR stat should be sufficient. So my plan is to move my Creative Cloud installation to from C drive, and I'll put it on June. And actually, I am going to create a folder here. Do I have the program here? I'm going to call it Adobe Creative Cloud. Perfect. So this is where I want to move it to. So while that's still loading, what you need to do is open up Creative Cloud and navigate to your account. You want to go to your preferences. You want to go to apps. And in apps, if you scroll down here, there's an installation location, default location. Let's move that to here. Let's select that. Alright, so it's basically saying that after there's no other pending installations, it's going to try to update on that particular path, which I think it's trying to do right now. I just want to see Photoshop Advanced, and so click done. Great. So now we can let's cancel any pending installs. All right, and I wonder if it started moving it. Not yet, but looks like now I can probably install location changed. Great. So, and then WinDIR stat finish, so we can kind of get an idea here. Yep, there's my, I want to update everything, update Photoshop, update After Effects. I'm getting to 2% now. Let's just do update all. Alright, so while that's going there, let's look in here. Yep. And you can see it's starting to populate a lot of my folders, which is good. Alright, so now if we go to program files, yeah, like I said, Adobe is taking up 30 gigs. So yeah, I need to move that. So yeah, that's what I wanted to see, and hopefully now it will start cleaning up some stuff from the C drive. Let's see. We're still at 2 gigs free, but we'll see if that resolves it. But I just wanted to showcase that, and yeah, it's updating, and then hopefully this will move everything over to a different drive. If you have an available space on a different drive, it should move everything over. Alright, hopefully that was nice and quick. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another one. Take care. Bye.